Hello everyone and welcome back to another of my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to be recording quite a few fillies today, probably about 3 videos today. I think I've got the time to do so. But the first video today, one we'll be watching now, will be me washing the engine bay, or cleaning, washing the engine bay, depending on how you want to pronounce it or say what it is. It's quite a dirty engine bay, so we're going to get that done and make the engine bay look a lot more cleaner for the next job we're about to do. So, I'm going to get the bucket and we're going to gently wash the car. The reason why I'm going to hand wash it in this video rather than pressure wash, due to the fact it's an old car, it's a bit like some electrical connection may be old and brittle and then it may snap under the pressure of a jet washer. So we're not going to use that, we're just going to gently hand wash around the parts which aren't electrical. So, okay, when I show you the inside of the engine bay, again looking a lot clearer now. It's not the clearest, but it's not over prepped, it's just clean-ish. It makes it look a lot better rather than built on muck. If you can see the actual colour of the car now. You know, it's not the best job in the world. Obviously, it would be better if you pressure wash the car, but due to the fact that all the electronics, well not all of them, but most electronics in this car are going to be quite fragile in regards to the plastics, I'd rather not jet wash all the electrical connections apart. Again, if you've cleaned all the engine along there up, looks nice and shiny now. And it looks like an engine that's been, or a car that's been maintained, but not faked for sale type thing. Yeah, so it looks nice and presentable along here now. You can see the numbers along there. Yeah, not bother doing too much down there, but you can't really get down there. It's not really accessible. But yeah, overall, it looks a lot better than before. So it wouldn't have been the most entertaining video you've ever watched. Probably not the most entertaining video I've ever made, but it's just to show you that obviously the little bits I'm doing to this card, make it look a little better. Obviously every little bit helps. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is obviously, again, like I said before, not the best video in the world, but just little steps here and there. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you haven't already. And please ask your friends, and anyone you think would like to watch this content, please ask them to subscribe. Maybe not this content, this video itself, but other videos they may like to watch. But yeah, so once again, it's been On and Drive, and I'd like to thank you for watching.